What is a dynasty trust in New York? Planning for the future isn't just about passing down wealth, it's about creating a lasting financial structure that supports generations to come. A dynasty trust is a powerful estate planning tool designed to preserve wealth while minimizing tax burdens and protecting assets over multiple generations. For those looking to secure their family's financial future, understanding the structure and benefits of a dynasty trust is essential. A dynasty trust is a long-term, irrevocable trust that allows wealth to be passed down for generations while avoiding estate, gift, and generation-skipping transfer taxes. Unlike traditional trusts that eventually distribute assets and terminate, a dynasty trust can last indefinitely if state law allows. The trustee, typically a professional fiduciary or trust company, manages the assets to ensure they are distributed according to the grantor's wishes. By keeping assets within the trust, families can protect their wealth from excessive taxation, creditors, and financial mismanagement. New York law imposes restrictions on dynasty trusts due to the rule against perpetuities. Under this rule, a trust must generally terminate within 21 years after the death of the last person alive when the trust was created. This means dynasty trusts in New York cannot last forever. However, individuals looking for longer-term trust structures may consider setting up a dynasty trust in a state with more favorable laws. A New York resident can appoint a trustee in one of these states, allowing the trust to last for many generations beyond New York's legal limits. Consulting an estate planning lawyer can help you explore these options. A dynasty trust offers numerous advantages for high net worth individuals. One of the biggest benefits is tax efficiency. Since assets in the trust are generally excluded from the grantor's taxable estate, they are protected from estate and gift taxes at each generational transfer. Additionally, the trust leverages the generation-skipping transfer tax (GST) exemption to avoid the 40% GST tax. The structure also provides strong asset protection. Because the trust, rather than the individual, owns the assets, they are shielded from creditors, lawsuits, and divorce settlements. To establish a dynasty trust, the grantor must work with an experienced attorney to draft a trust agreement that outlines the beneficiaries, distribution rules, and asset management strategies. Once the trust is funded, typically with cash, stocks, real estate, or business interests, those assets belong to the trust, preventing them from being included in the grantor's estate. A trustee manages the assets, ensuring long-term growth and proper distributions to beneficiaries. Although dynasty trusts offer significant benefits, they also come with challenges. Because the trust is irrevocable, the grantor loses control over the assets once they are transferred. Additionally, setting up and maintaining a dynasty trust requires careful legal and financial planning, which can result in substantial administrative costs. Over multiple generations, these costs may accumulate, making it important to consider whether the benefits outweigh the expenses. A dynasty trust is an excellent option for individuals with significant wealth who want to ensure long-term financial security for their descendants. It's particularly useful for those who anticipate estate tax exposure, wish to protect assets from legal claims, or seek to maintain control over how their wealth is used by future generations. Additionally, those expecting a large inheritance or business windfall may benefit from placing their assets in a dynasty trust to avoid unnecessary taxation and mismanagement. Securing your financial legacy requires strategic planning. Schlessel Law PLLC can guide you through the process of establishing a dynasty trust that aligns with your family's goals. Call 516-574-9630 or visit our office at 34 Willis Avenue, Suite 300, Mineola, New York, 11501, to schedule a consultation and take the next step in protecting your wealth for future generations.